Supriya and I welcome you to Supriya's Kitchen. In this episode today, I will be sharing the recipe of Kada Prasad. So Kada Prasad is basically a sweet dish. This holy sweet dish is offered in Gurdwara or Sikh temple after the Ardas or prayer. And this is just an amazing recipe which you can make out of 3 ingredients. Very simple recipe. Minimal ingredients are required. I hope you will love this. This is just my favorite. So let's see what all the ingredients are required for making. Okay, so the very important thing about this recipe, you need to take all these 3 ingredients in an equal proportion. So here I have taken half cup of wheat flour, half cup of granulated sugar and half cup of clarified butter or ghee. You cannot skip the ghee because all the taste which will come from this clarified butter or ghee. So you cannot skip this. Now let's get started. So here I have taken this pan. Into this pan I will be adding this clarified butter. Meanwhile, here I have this deep pan. Into this I will be adding this half cup of granulated sugar. Here I am taking 1:3 ratio for this water. So here this clarified butter or ghee is nicely melted. Now into this I will be adding this wheat flour. And now you need to continuously stir at this wheat flour and this ghee for at least 5 to 7 minutes or until you see there is a slight change in the color. So for this Kada Prasad, the main important thing is you need to manage the flame. Make sure that your flame should be on low and it should not get burnt, it should not get overcooked. And also here we are not going to make the syrup, we are just going to boil it until the sugar is nicely get dissolved. Wonderful. So here this water is now ready. I will switch off the flame. After just one boil you can just switch it off. And this wheat flour and ghee will take few more minutes. Okay, so here you can see the nice golden brown color, and now it's time to add the hot water. So carefully just add this sugar and water, and at the same time you need to stir it continuously. Perfect. And now we are just going to cook it for another 4 to 5 minutes. And also here you will notice that this Kada Prasad has released the pan, and you can see the ghee or clarified butter at the corner. So here this yummy and delicious Kada Prasad is ready. I will switch off the flame and let's take it out in a plate. Amazing, super delicious. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more wonderful videos. And don't forget to hit on bell icon so that you will never miss the updates. See you in the next episode. Till then, enjoy food and stay healthy. Bye-bye.